Hello everyone. Now I'm just going to apply my smart tool on ITC. Then let's see what's happening in the ITC. So first of all, I would like to introduce my smart tool which I have developed, which I have been working on past 2 years, more than 2 years. So now I have segregated and I came to know very small tool which is based on the Google Sheet. Okay, it is completely dynamic system and yeah. So then you can get the view where when will be the trend reversal will be happen. So then we will get the time. Okay, exactly time when the time and price will be matched together, so 10 will be turned from the one yeah. So that let's have a look of the ICT ITC ITC stocks. Okay, so now this is our tool. So like this is our tool and this is the time window where, as you know, market is open 9:15 a.m. So then as market open, that this data will be filled here. So now this tool I have built for the index as well as all stocks. Now this completely tool which is apply on the all listed Nifty 50 stocks. So like as you know, in Nifty index there are 50 stocks are listed. So we can apply this tool on those stocks. So we have here, so suppose one by one we can select. So this is the different I have selected here few stocks like HDFC, ICICI Bank and Axis Bank and SBI, Reliance and so on. So now suppose only we are not looking all the, just we are doing the some ITC ITC update, what's happening at ITC stocks. Okay, because everybody is talking about the ITC stock. Okay, now suppose here there is a drop down, we can select any stocks, but now our focus on the ITC. So now suppose we have selected IT stock. So as you selected from here IT stocks, so then you can see what's happening the ITC throughout the day. So that you know, market start from 9:15 from morning, then it will go up to 9:30 3:30 p.m. Okay, so this is the this is the price. As you see, there is a two data point here, one for our design model and another one for the price ITC ITC price stock price. You see that side the price is showing the red, but here that number is not important, that the trend is important. Basically we our focus on the to identify where we will get the trend. Okay, so as you know, that blue line is the our data point which we have developed. So there is a no change in the update. So if we want to change the update, we need to look into the we need to look into the we need to zoom it. So either we can do zoom it, or either we can we can change the scale. Okay, so now I'm going to change the scale, so then we can see. Yeah, so I'm going to just change the scale for this stock. So from this is the number is falling is zero point 0.5, I think zero point 0.6 between 0.75. So zero point 0.6 between 0.75. Okay, so 0.75. So I put it this number. Okay, so then we can have this number, our design number. You see here, yeah. So as you know, as market open by 9:15 here, so then we can see 9:15 window, that what whenever the change will happen, so then it will be display here. Okay, so let's start from here. So at the market 9:15, so you see the our design parameter are here. So here at blue one, red one is the price of the this ITC. So basically price, if you see the see yeah. So basically we are looking for the change, because I have changed the scale is we have taken the log, so then we can see the variation. So you see at the market start open, then our system is starting from here. Okay, and you see as at the market move with respect to time, so then we can see here. So this is the two parameter which we are seeing. You will see here the trend change. Whenever the trend change, it will display here. Okay, so let's start from 9:15. So we are starting from the 9:15, we can see here. So as you see here, so here there is no trend change. Okay, so then we will not get any information here. Okay, so this is for another one. So we are not getting any information. So here, so let's start. Let's look all the time frame. Yeah, yeah, see, up to here, up to 12 p.m. there is no any sign of reversal. So you see here there is no sign. So here something at 1:10 p.m. 1 o'clock 10 minutes, say 1 o'clock 10 p.m. So then we see that some changes. So we can have a look the time here. So and this time is 1:10 approximately. Here you see that there is some trend change. So as you know, there is some trend change. So it's falling, that it's go bent up, and it bends up. Okay, after this bend some certain price. So then again we got the 10 reversal, again we got the 10 reversal at the each 10 reversal here, then 10 reversal here, then it's coming the from market, it is coming from the downside, then is go up and down. Okay, so you see, and you see the time 124. So 124 is here, somewhere here at the, as you told you, turning point is here, then here. So market is the same direction. Okay, market is still same direction now. Okay, so as you know, there is a very small time range here, so that we cannot consider it's a real time reversal. So then we need to wait another reconfirmation. Okay, so is it there any reconfirmation? Again we need to look into the our system. So still 2:30 we couldn't get any information about the trend reversal. Okay, you see, entire time frame 3:30 we couldn't get the any time frame, any sign of reversal. So as you know, reversal, see, up to suppose this is the point, if market break this point, so that we can assume this is the reversal. Okay, reversal happening, but it's not, it's almost downtrend, and our system also is not shown. Okay, so because see, if there is a small thing, there are some criteria, which this is our design parameter. Each design parameter we have the different conditions. So when we can consider the exact reversal is correct or not. So that we have done a lot of research on that. So then for the particular stake we have the criteria, what should be the range of this number. Okay, so the particular stock, the particular index, but now we are considering ITC. Okay, so now this is the our system. So then we can look on the chart, what's happening in the chart today of the ITC. So this is the, I have opened my this is yeah, my chart, my trading view chart. This is the day time frame. Okay, see, this is the day time frame that this chart for the ITC. So you can have a look, there is no no see, still there is no sign of the reversal. Okay, so this is ITC is falling since November 12. I think this is the November. What is the this the date is here 31st. This is the continuously falling from the October, starting of the November. Okay, and you see, and this day around 1st of January is fall, very big fall. In that almost 10% is 10% down. Okay, so still we couldn't have any sign of reversal in ITC. So now this is the for the time frame. Let's have a look for let's look for 15 minute, what's happening the 15 minutes. So this is whatever I'm sharing, this is my pure my research purpose, and this is the disclaimer. So then if you want to make anything about the ITC, just do your research, or please kindly, or please consult your super financial advisor. So this is my only for the my demonstration of my smart tool which I have developed. Okay, so that is the disclaimer for this. Okay, yeah, you see here, I'm just see here from the market is open here. Okay, open here, and it's bent up, it's continuously falling from the day high to low. So that is the our, see, there is no change in the trend. Okay, so we couldn't we could our system also, it shows there is no change in the ITC trend. Okay, so still throughout the day it's a one way side. Okay, so that's the thing I have that's the thing I want to I want to demonstrate about my design, my develop smart tool. This is very smart, this is very intelligent tool, and basically this concept is mostly never fail. Only that if range is very small, then there is a change of reversal, the change of reversal is very far, because range is very fast, because the range is small. Then you can see again and again, as you see at this point, see, have a look, see that is starting from 110 to 10 15. 110 mean is coming from here, so is coming here, right? 110 is here, this is the 110. 110, where is the 110? 110 here. You see here there is a there is a certain change, but we have a certain criteria, so we cannot consider this is the right. So we need to look, or we need to wait for the reconfirmation. So if it is fulfilled, this change in our criteria, then we can assume this, this is the reversal, because this number, it is having some range for a particular stock, particular index. So that's the thing I want to demonstrate it this. Okay, so that is very advanced tool, and this tool is work for all stocks, all indices. So suppose here, let me explain to some not from apart from the ITC. So let's have a look for the index. So this is the for index also, it can be applied index also. Okay, you see now we have considered 5 index, Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty and Sensex, Nifty IT or small cap. Okay, so suppose here just we can have a look of the Nifty. We have selected Nifty. Okay, yeah, so you see the as the market open, that this is the Nifty price. Okay, this the red one is the price. So you don't go you don't worry about the exact number, but you can see the have a what is the structure, basically number. I have changed this scale because I want to explain what are the meaning of the trend change with our system. Okay, so you can have a look. So this is our number, this is our design parameter, and is apply on the chart. So let me give the number. See here, suppose I select here, so here, so yeah, so see, yeah, so I want to show exact thing to you. Wait a minute. Yeah, so yeah, where is the vertical axis, and we can select this is the one, and so just we don't need, actually here we don't require, okay, that all the things. So just we need to look into the trend. Okay, so see here, if we see here this number, see here, this is range. You can see the range is 2.5, 0.255, 0.75. This is the very small range. So from starting point is, suppose the market open here, it is band, but it's see here, after that market is starting from upside from at this point. So you can see here market is starting here, it is any reversal here. So we can see here for the Nifty, Bank Nifty, for the Nifty, yeah, you see here we got the 11 o'clock, we got the some reversal point 11 o'clock. So sometime this is because the market open started, still we cannot say here, because is a falling here. So 0.1, 0.2, so that's what is considered, because we need to look into the another parameter, because when we have the some we design some system, so it follow the some certain conditions. Okay, so yeah, so now again you see here 11 we got this is the point. Okay, this is the point here. What is the point here? 12, 10, 12, 11, 12. 11, 12 is coming here at this point. This is this point. So you see we found this reversal point here. Then market went up to here. Yeah, you see up to here. So what is the time here? You can find the time. What is the time exactly? Yeah, so yeah, up to it went, because this market, or this is a falling from the starting. Okay, from this point 10 mean 10 o'clock. So see here, we couldn't find, we found, yeah. So sometime we cannot see the simultaneously, sometime we need to look another index also together to identify the exact trend. So that is the some condition we need to follow. So if you want to look exact thing, so in Nifty is not, but if you see at this point, you will get the some another from another index. So see here, so what is the time here? Time here 11:20. So if it is the 11:20, you go the 11:20. See 10 also. See this number. This is the maximum number when Nifty start falling from the top day high. Okay, from here. So here Nifty is not given, but you can look another index. So here Sensex, basically Bank Nifty, because Bank Nifty or Nifty, sometimes if Bank Nifty is not supporting to Nifty, then it will not work, right? So if they have to have the sync with to each other, right? So then we can have, so you see Bank Nifty is already showed the 10 o'clock. So then we can have, and also we can have a look of the Sensex. We have the Sensex also here. So yeah, so all the things we need to look. Okay, so these are the reconfirmation. Okay, sometimes we are not getting, then another is confirming, so then we need to wait. Okay, so then yeah, so see here, so it's already we have seen here this number. So here from the 10 o'clock to 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock we got this reversal point. Okay, so yeah, so this is a very advanced tool. Okay, so yeah, if you want to see, if we can select any another, see Bank Nifty, you can check in Bank Nifty, there are here there are some reversal here at 11:25, and we have seen here also, right here. So this is the point. So here this tool is very helpful for the, if you want to suppose you miss the your entry sometime, so then you need to wait for the right time. So right time, you don't know when it will right time will come, so then you need to identify with the help of your analysis. If your analysis, yeah, and within the very very short time, you need to get the some, you can get to some conclusion, so then you can decide based on your data analysis, then make you can decide the entry. But it's very delaying, right? If you have some smart tool, then immediately you can make your decision, then based on your decision and based on your tool support, you can make your entry, you can basically you decide. Yeah, so this is very advanced tool. So yeah, you can see the Bank Nifty, you can see the Sensex, yeah, you can see the Sensex also. So that it will apply for all the stocks and indices. So that's the things I want to demonstrate it about my smart tool which we have developed. Okay, and thank you for listening, and if you have any queries, just let me know. Okay, you can mail to us, or you can write, yeah, you can comment it. But whatever things we have demonstrating here, this only for our showing our our developed tool. So that if you want to make any financial transactions, just you need to consult with your financial advisor. This is the only for this is the whatever I demonstrated to you, this is the only for my tool capability. I just demonstrate my tool capability which we have developed. So, and thank you. Yeah, thank you once again. Yeah.